Today our topic is how to develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that you can improve your abilities, intelligence, and skills through effort, learning, and persistence. It is the opposite of a fixed mindset, where people believe their talents and intelligence are set in stone and cannot change. Developing a growth mindset can change your life because it helps you face challenges, learn from failures, and keep growing no matter what. Let's talk about how you can develop this mindset step by step. First, understand that your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. When you learn something new or solve a problem, your brain forms new connections. This means you can always get better at something if you work at it. For example, if you think you're not good at math, it doesn't mean you'll never be good at it. It just means you need to practice more and learn new strategies. The key is to believe that effort leads to improvement. Next, stop fearing failure. Failure is not the end. It's a step towards success. People with a growth mindset see failure as a chance to learn. They ask themselves, what can I do differently next time? Instead of thinking, I'm just not good at this. Think of failure as feedback, not as a reflection of your worth. For example, if you fail a test, don't say, I'm bad at this subject. Instead say, I need to study differently, or ask for help. This shift in thinking helps you grow. Another important step is to embrace challenges. Challenges are opportunities to grow, not obstacles to avoid. When you face something difficult, don't run away from it. Instead, tell yourself, this is hard, but I can figure it out. For example, if you're learning a new language and find it tough, don't give up. Break it into smaller steps, like learning a few words each day. Over time, you'll see progress. Challenges make you stronger, so don't be afraid of them. Also, learn to love the process, not just the result. Many people focus only on the outcome, like getting a good grade or winning a game. But with a growth mindset, you enjoy the journey of learning and improving. For example, if you're learning to play the guitar, don't just focus on playing a perfect song. Enjoy practicing even if you make mistakes. The process is where the real growth happens. When you love the process, you'll stay motivated even when things get tough. Another way to develop a growth mindset is to surround yourself with people who inspire you. Spend time with people who believe in growth and encourage you to improve. Avoid people who say things like, you're just not good at this, or you'll never be able to do that. Instead, find friends, teachers, or mentors who push you to do better and believe in your potential. Their positive energy will help you stay focused on growth. It's also important to use the word yet more often. If you say, I can't do this, add the word yet. For example, I can't solve this math problem yet, or I'm not good at public speaking yet. This small word reminds you that you're on a journey. You may not be where you want to be right now, but with time and effort, you'll get there. Yet keeps your mind open to possibilities. Another tip is to set realistic goals. Goals give you direction and motivation, but make sure your goals are achievable and broken into smaller steps. For example, if you want to run a marathon, start by running short distances and gradually increase your stamina. Celebrate small wins along the way. Each small success builds your confidence and keeps you moving forward. Remember, growth doesn't happen overnight. It's a step-by-step process. Don't forget to practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself when things don't go as planned. It's easy to be hard on yourself when you make mistakes, but that doesn't help. Instead, treat yourself the way you would treat a friend. Say, it's okay to make mistakes. You try again. Self-compassion helps you stay positive and keeps you from giving up. Another way to develop a growth mindset is to focus on effort, not talent. Some people think success comes from natural talent, but that's not true. Success comes from hard work and persistence. When you see someone who is good at something, Don't think they're just talented. Instead, think they must have worked really hard to get there. This mindset helps you stay motivated to put in the effort needed to achieve your goals. Learning to accept feedback is another important part of a growth mindset. Feedback, even if it's critical, is valuable because it helps you improve. Instead of getting defensive or upset, listen carefully and think about how you can use the feedback to grow. For example, if someone says your presentation could be more organized, don't take it personally. Use it as a chance to improve your skills. Feedback is a gift that helps you get better. Another key aspect is to stay curious. Curiosity keeps your mind open and ready to learn. Ask questions, explore new ideas, and try new things. For example, if you're interested in a new hobby or subject, don't be afraid to dive in. Curiosity leads to discovery and growth. The more you explore, the more you'll learn about yourself and the world around you. It's also important to be patient with yourself. Growth takes time, and everyone progresses at their own pace. Don't compare yourself to others because everyone's journey is different. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your improvements, no matter how small. Remember, even small steps forward are still steps in the right direction. Lastly, practice gratitude. Be thankful for what you have and the opportunities to grow. Gratitude helps you stay positive and focused on the good things in life. For example, if you're struggling with a difficult task, remind yourself that it's an opportunity to learn and get stronger. Gratitude shifts your mindset from "I can't do this" to "I'm thankful for the chance to try." In conclusion, developing a growth mindset is about believing in your ability to improve and taking action to make it happen. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities, learning from failures, and staying curious and persistent. Remember, your brain can grow, and so can you. Start small, be patient, and keep moving forward. With time and effort, you'll see amazing changes in your life. A growth mindset is not just a way of thinking. It's a way of living that leads to endless possibilities. So, take the first step today and embrace the power of growth.